Hi. Let's learn more spellings and their sounds. UOUS. When UOUS is found at the end of the word, it can be pronounced
UOUS, UOUS, UOUS. CONTINUOUS. K, k, can, t, US, newest, continuous, 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 continuous.
continuous, ingenuous, contiguous, ambiguous, strenuous. When T comes before UOUS, the T is pronounced
Chewous, chewous, chewous. TORTUOUS. Or, tor. Chewous, chewous. Tortuous, 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 tortuous.
tortuous, virtuous, voluptuous, tumultuous, presumptuous. When D comes before UOUS, the D is pronounced
Juəs, juəs, juəs.
deciduous. Next, ambiguous, ambiguous, ambiguous. His answer is ambiguous. His answer is ambiguous. His answer is ambiguous. Last, strenuous, strenuous, strenuous. Tortuous, tortuous, tortuous. The test was strenuous and tortuous. The test was strenuous and tortuous. The test was strenuous and tortuous. Good job. Bye.